Hello, this video is actually on how to add product to a specific page or edit product on a page. So we're going to talk about, this is my home page, but we're going to talk a little bit about this summer favorites category of products, how you can change that out to different products, as well as title it something different. You do this by using what we call the product list module. So we're going to access that and put a product list module on a page and then add those products using that product list module. The first thing you're going to do is come into the management console, which is the back of the site, and to get there you put /manage and log in. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to click on the management console there in the top left. Now the first thing you're going to do is go into where you can search products and find the products you want to display on the page. So under products you go to find product, and then you can search your products. I'm going to search for a jacket because we're going to switch the summer favorites to fall favorites. So we'll type in the keyword jacket and search. Now once you've got the results of your search, you're going to click on the jacket that you like. So if we go into this jacket here, or this one here, we can click on details. And we're going to find the product code. Now there's two product codes listed in the product details screen. There's the supplier code and then our unique product code. What you need to write down or what you need to copy is our unique product code. So that's 78111. Now I do want to note that this vendor is Sanmar. So if you are choosing products, you need to make sure that the vendor or supplier that those products that supply those products is listed on your website. So you want to make sure under suppliers on your website you are showing Sanmar or whatever vendor is supplying the product that you want to display on the page. So once you write down or copy the product code, what you're going to do is go and find the page that you want to put those products on. In this case, we're going to add them and switch out the products on the home page. So I'm going to go to Content, Pages, and I'm going to find the home page, and I'm going to click on Contents. Now in order to put products on a page, you must have a product list module already added to that page. So right now I have a product list module here. It says product list, it's got the dotted line and then the three buttons, edit, hide, and delete. Now if you don't already have a product list module, because in this case I'm switching the products out, you can add one. So if you're adding products for the first time on that page, come up to the top left and find the product list module from the drop down, select it, and then insert module. And that will put a product list module on that page for you to work with. Once you've got the product list module on the page, you just need to edit, click on the pencil, and open that product list module up. And you have a few choices. We're going to be using My Selection because that's what you want to use if you're making selections as to what products you want to display. Now there are some other options. You have featured products, special products, new products, and top sellers. Those already have a list of products that we, Trade Only, will kind of pick for you based on the featured products and the new products from our suppliers. And that will automatically, if you select one of those, it will have that feed of products randomly added to that page for you. But in this case, we're going to do My Selection, and we're going to pick the products that we want to display. So I've already got an umbrella listed there, but in order for me to add other products, I just need to put the product code in that box there. So I'm going to add the jacket, which was 78111. Now it searches to make sure that's a legitimate product code, and it's telling you, yes, it's the Port Authority, so we can go ahead and insert, and that will add that product down here. Now, if you don't want a product, you just click on the X and it will take that product off the list. So we'll do a few more just so you can kind of see how that works. So again, this is our product code, not the vendor code. That's the one you want to work with. And I'm going to add about 6 products just so you can see the different layouts as well. It does take a little bit of time because it is searching to make sure that those products are available. Okay, and I'll just add one more here. Okay, so I added the products using our product code and inserting it. And then I also have the ability to change the title. So if I want this to be something different, instead of summer favorite, maybe I want to say fall or autumn. And then show 3 at a time. I can show 6 at a time if I want. So I have 6 products. I want to show 6 at a time. And then I can choose to display 3 per row, but I have a drop down in which I can kind of choose which display I want. I'm going to leave it as 3 per row, and I'm going to leave it random because I am showing all 6. Now if I was only showing 3 at a time, I could put it on a list or a random, and it would rotate through those products that I have listed there. Once I hit save, that will add those products. Looks like I'm missing an image there. And then what I can do is publish my changes, which means that I'm saving those changes and pushing them live for customers to see. And then we'll view the home page. So we'll view the site. And then if we look at the site, you can see that I've switched out those products that you can see on the home page. Thank you very much. Hopefully you learned how to add those products to a page and edit products on existing pages. Thank you.